Okay, so anything can be a givet. I hope you can see this. So this is a brooch that I bought. Hope you can see it. And this one I just peeled off. So I bought these things right here from Amazon. These things. They are called givet backs. And then I used my E6000. See, I already did this one. This one's already done. Boop. Hope you can see that. All of these are done. So what I do is just take some E6000 glue, put it on the back, take some glue, put it on the back. You really don't need much. Put that on the back. I hope you can see that. This glue stinks. It's really, really strong. And just let that dry. These are earrings. I'm going to cut that little piece off. Cut that off. And yeah, just glue it on there. I'm not going to make these givetts though, because these can be space fillers. I have different ones. But then I have this, which I'm going to make a givet. And you really just cut the back off of it. This I'm going to just stick into the holes on the shoe. Hope you can see that too. So what I'm going to do is cut this off. You're going to need some wire cutters. These are wire cutters. So I always close my eyes when I do this part because, girl, nobody wants a thing sticking them in their eye. This stuff pops, it sticks. You're going to hear it crunch. Because you got to cut that off or else it will hinder you sticking it. So I'm going to cut that and then cut this. I hope you can see this because the camera placement is a little jacked up. Heard that crunch? Crunchy. I hope you can see me crunching this. So all of that now is gone. That's all gone. Now what I'm going to do is take my E6000 glue again. And be careful, this stuff will spill everywhere. And I am going to take my givet back. I think I want to do a clear one. Let's get a clear one out of here. Clear givet back. And put some glue on here. Now you can make anything a givet. Anything can be a givet. Big stuff, little stuff. I got big ones, little ones. And you want to kind of be careful where you place it. And then you don't want it all ooey gooey either. Ugh. See? Bam. Givet. Boop. Okay, and then this is nothing but some type of flat back thing I bought from Amazon some years ago. I don't even remember where I got it from. I just know it was on Amazon. I typed in, because I make greeting cards. I typed it in. And here you go. That's another one. And another one. All right. Givets.